Hello guys, good morning. We are here in the I don't know what's the name of this, but it's like in Waterfall. There's so many bugs. This is a early hike for today's. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning and we decided to hike a mountain. Ito yung itsura ng trails nila. It goes ano siya, malapit sa river. This is very long. Walk all the way down there. I gotta slide. Good thing there's no tick here. Climb up! No way! Try, go ahead. See if he can climb up. Oh no! This is very tall. You see. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Look at this. There is so many rocks around. So, pagka nag-wrong step ka, feeling ko ma-break yung head mo or ma-break yung bone mo pagka na wrong step ka. Kaya super daming rocks and they're so big. But the water is very clean and it's very cold. We have two waterfalls nearby in our place. The name is Charco Azul and then the other one is Tres Toros. Actually, yung mga waterfall dito sa Puerto Rico, yung mga names is para mga same-same lang. So, pag ni-search mo siya sa Google, pag nilagay mong Charco Azul, there's so many Charco Azul in Puerto Rico. So, you don't know which one is this. But, if you want to see this place, I will put the address or the pin sa description. So, you should visit this place. It's really nice. I love it here and I like hiking to the river. Do you know what? When we wash our clothes in the Philippines, we wash it in the river. And then one time I was doing the laundry in the river. I felt something crawling on my foot and then nagulat ako, linta pala siya or leech. Nisasak yung blood ko. Oh my gosh. I was so scared and then I ran so fast while I'm crying to get rid of the leech. Finally, na-remove siya. Oh my gosh, that's the moment that I will never forget about the river. But I never seen one here in Puerto Rico that merong leech. Maybe because I don't go on the water or I don't swim on the water. Kasi na-scared na talaga ako. dog. Hold him. Carry him. What do you say? Let's check the other side of this bridge. Kasi meron pa dyang another swimming hole. Nice trail. Bigger. Look at this. I will show you the swimming hole. Meron dong heart. That's the heart rock. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're wet anyway, you swim. Yeah, he already wet. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. So this place is very beautiful. The only thing I notice is there's so many garbage all over the place. So I hope if people visit this place, don't make a garbage. Bring back your garbage home and throw it. Why you have to leave your garbage here in the river? You ruined this place. This is beautiful, but I don't understand why people gonna bring plastics and styrofoam where they put their food, and then when they're done they just leave it here. It's so many all over the place. It's like I feel sad seeing this garbage all over. Like this place is really beautiful, guys, but I don't know why a lot of people when they come here they just don't bring their garbage back. Why? Why? I don't get it. No. This is his place, Casey. No. There's a dog, so Casey gets so upset.
Go that way.
We're ready to go home. Did we stop here before? Look how deep it is. Ooh, wow. Oh my gosh, and this is a house. See how they built the house? And there's another one house there. It's very steep.
See the ocean up there.
Yeah, I think so. There's the ocean. And this is the houses. That's the road. Very steep. See their house, the design. But I think this house is abandoned. We stopped here because we saw it from the road. So we just want to check it out. And look at the stairs. It's missing pieces. It's very nice view here. It's kind of scary to live here though. What if there's an earthquake or something? But the view is perfect. Very old greenery. Casey, don't go underneath.